Hello and welcome to the video edition of College Dekho. In this video, we will talk about the overall exam analysis of CAT 2021 for slots 1, 2 and 3. CAT 2021 was conducted on November 28, 2021 in 3 different slots. The first or the forenoon slot was held from 8:30 am to 10:30 am and the difficulty level of the exam was reported as moderate. The afternoon slot of CAT 2021 was conducted from 12:30 pm to 2:30 pm and it was again of moderate difficulty level. The last slot of CAT 2021 was held in the evening slot from 4:30 pm to 6:30 pm. The difficulty level of this slot was moderate as well. The total number of questions in CAT 2021 was less than the last year. CAT 2020 had a total of 76 questions, while CAT 2021 had a total of 66 questions. The individual time limit for each section was of 40 minutes. Let us now slot-wise analyze the CAT 2021 exam. First, we will talk about slot 1 of CAT 2021. As mentioned before, the difficulty level of CAT 2021 slot 1 exam was moderate. It had 48 MCQs and 18 non-MCQs. The VARC section had 24 questions with moderate difficulty. DILR had 20 questions with moderate difficulty and QA had 22 questions with easy to moderate difficulty. VARC had 4 reading comprehensions and 4 questions were asked under each RC. Out of the 4 RCs, 1 was easy while 3 were a bit difficult. Para jumbles, para summaries and odd one out questions covered the maximum part of this section. DILR had 5 MCQs and 15 non-MCQs. This section had 4 sets with 2 sets from DI and 2 sets from LR. DI and LR had a total of 10 questions each. Questions were based on bar graph, arrangements, relationships, etc. As per the students' feedback, one set was doable while others were a bit lengthy. The QA section saw the majority of questions from arithmetic, algebra and geometry. 1 question from permutation and combination, 1 from progression was also asked in the exam. The total number of good attempts in this slot to score a 99 percentile is 42 to 48. Let us now move forward to slot 2 of CAT 2021. It again was of moderate difficulty and had 18 non-MCQs and 48 MCQs. The difficulty level of VARC was easy to moderate, while that of DILR and QA was moderate. VARC had a total of 24 questions and it was slightly more difficult than slot 1. There were 4 RCs with moderate difficulty and tricky options. Other topics that had the most weightage in VARC were para jumbles, para summaries and odd one out. DILR again had 4 sets with 2 sets of DI and 2 sets of LR. DI sets had 6 questions each while LR sets had 4 questions each. It had 5 non-MCQs and 15 MCQs. QA section of CAT 2021 slot 2 exam had 22 questions and this section was dominated by arithmetic and algebra. QA was a tad bit lengthy and it had questions from modern maths, number systems and geometry and mensurations as well. The total number of good attempts in this slot to score a 99 percentile is 42 to 48. The difficulty level of slot 3 was moderate. VARC had an easy to moderate difficulty level while DILR and QA had a moderate difficulty level. Just like slot 1 and slot 2, the VARC section in slot 3 had 24 questions and candidates had to attempt them in 40 minutes. The major topics covered in this section were from RCs, para jumble, para summaries and odd one out. It had 4 RCs out of which 2 were easy and 2 were a bit difficult. DILR section had 20 questions and was easier than slot 1 and slot 2. 4 sets were a part of this section, out of which 2 sets with 6 questions each were of DI and 2 sets with 4 questions each were of LR. 1 set was easy, 1 was moderate and 2 sets were moderate to difficult. Questions were majorly on arrangements, ratios and mixtures. The final section of the CAT 2021 slot 3 exam was QA, where a total of 22 questions cropped up. This section was reported as lengthier than slot 1 and 2. Arithmetic, algebra and geometry had the most weightage in QA. The total number of good attempts in this slot to score a 99 percentile is 40 to 46. This was all about CAT 2021 overall exam analysis for slot 1, 2 and 3. If you want to share your feedback about the CAT 2021 exam, write to us in the comment section below. For more such informative videos on the CAT exam, stay tuned to College Dekho.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.